bodies, of course, core work, which is going to be great, but we'll intermix some really different and nice stretching, more yoga type stretching, but it will give us that little bit of a break between the stronger poses that we do. Do most of the practice today on our back and sideline, so we won't do any standing at all. Now bring your knees over your hips and hold onto your knees, and let's just circle both knees together. Create a nice little massage here in the low back. It's really good for circulation and getting blood moving in that low back is really important. And we'll do one more circle. You're going to pause. Let's go ahead and reverse. Good, and last one. Now we're going to just do a little bit of the leg stretches we were talking about before. So bring your feet down to the mat. And I'm going to have you rest your arms along the sides of your hips. So feet under the knees. And we're going to, again, still keep that really nice neutral spine. You're going to slide the right leg out across your mat and flex the foot. Very good. I'm a little off my mat. And now at the same time, let's point that right leg, toes, and reach the right arm up. So feel like maybe somebody is, kind of grabbing your fingers and stretching this arm, stretching through the armpit. Take an inhale, slide the foot back, and release the arm. Let's just try the other side. So send the left leg, just kind of slide it out. Start with a flexed foot and hold. Reach the left arm up. And now really extend through those fingers. Point the toes. Take another deep inhale. As you exhale, slide the foot back and release the hand. Now we're going to do both legs. So you're going to slide both legs out. Go ahead and start with flexing your feet and really flex them so you feel the stretch into the back of the knee, maybe the back of the calves. Take an inhale, reach both arms up. And this is called stick pose. So this is yoga. We're just going to stretch it out. Now point both toes, lengthen a little more through the spine. Take an inhale, and as you exhale, let's go ahead and slide the feet and the arms go down. And come into some more abdominal work. I'd like you to lift your hips up and slide your hands underneath your back, the low back, the sacrum. And now take one knee at a time into tabletop position. We're going to send the legs straight up and flex the feet. So we'll work some more on the legs in a moment, but we'll work the abs first. You're going to lower the heels halfway down, and you're going to point and lift the leg back up. So now flex and lower, point and lift. Perfect. Flex and lower, point and lift. Good. Flex, lower, keep the abs firm, point and lower, point and lift. Good. 3 more. Flex and lower, point and lift. Good job. Flex and lower, point and lift. And last one. Flex and lower, point and lift. Bend your knee. Bring your feet down to the mat. And now lift your hips up and slide your hands away. Very good. Let's come into the crisscross. So we're going to bring one knee at a time over your hips. Let's interlock your fingers and bring your hands behind your head. You're going to get your mid back relaxed into the floor. And we're going to keep the belly really strong. You're going to inhale to prepare. As you exhale, we're going to tuck the chin in, scoop, and lift the shoulder blades up. Send the right leg out and bring the right elbow to the left knee. And now switch. Go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and one more set. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Perfect. And we're going to hug the knees back in. What I like to do is do our knee drops. So the arms are in a T, and we'll flex the feet just to do something different, right? Keep the inner thighs together, pulling into the center here. You're going to drop the knees to the right. Keep the left shoulder down. Back to center, and now to the left. So inhale to center. Exhale, drop your knees to the right and turn your head to the left. Good. Pause to center. Now knees to the left and head to the right, keeping both shoulder blades connected to your mat. So inhale here, exhale as you drop the knees. Come back to center. And now to the other side. Now if you'd like, we can add a little bit of a leg extension. So you can drop the knees to the right, extend the top leg out, bring it back in, and draw to the center. Now drop the knees to the left, extend the leg out, bring the knees back together, come back to center. So knees to the right, top leg extends out, keep the belly strong, bring them back together and to the center. And then knees to the left, extend the top leg out, bring it back and to the center. Just 2 more times. Knees to the right, hold, draw the top leg out, bring it back, come to center, and last time to the left, extend the top leg out, bring it back and to the center. Good. Bring your arms along the sides of your hips, and we'll come into, I've heard several names, they call it leg arcs or toe taps. But we want to keep this complete 90-degree angle at the whole exercise. We don't want to bend here at the knees. All the action is coming here from the hips. So arms are resting down, and we'll start with a single heel drop. So you're going to drop the heel down, you're going to tap it and bring it back up, and then the left foot taps down, belly is strong, and then you bring it back up. So we tap right and left. So it's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now let's do one more set. Here's 8, 7, feet are flexed. Here's 4, 3, 2, and last one. Perfect. Now bring both knees back up, but we'll point the toes, and you don't have to touch the toes to the floor. You can bring the toes halfway down. So keep the low back connected to the mat. Don't let the back overarch. You're going to drop the toes down and then bring the knees back over your hips. So hinge from your hip crease and then bring it back up. Good. Toes dive down and then bring it back up. Good job. Toes dive down and bring it up. We've got 4 more. Keep the belly really firm. Drop the toes down. Bring it back up. Here's 3. Oh, I'm feeling this. Here's 2. Good. It's the lift. Really good work. So toes come down last time and bring it up. Nice work. Go ahead and drop your feet to the mat. We're going to roll to our side. We're going to take the knees wide, toes together. And let's just go ahead and walk the hands out. Forehead comes down. Now walk your hands back and up. We'll come into a tabletop position. And let's go ahead and come into a little plank. So you're going to take an inhale as you exhale. Lift your knees. Drop your hips so the butt is not up. You're going to pull the belly in. Take about 3 full breaths. So nice deep inhale. Exhale out. Good. Breath in. Exhale it out. And one more time. Inhale deeply. Exhale it out. Bend your knees. Walk your hands towards your knees, keeping the toes curled under. Let's go ahead and roll up onto our toes, similar to what we did in the beginning. And you're going to be on your fingertips. Let's lift the hips up. Come into a forward fold. Very good. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, keep the knees soft. Pull the navel towards the spine and slowly roll up, stacking your shoulders over your hips. Good. Good work. And now to your heart. Thank you guys so much for being here. It's truly an honor and such a blessing. Namaste.